I believe that we're meant to be. But jealousy, 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 jealousy get the best of me. Look, I don't mean to frustrate.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I thought I would do a clean with me. And this is actually over the last few weeks because I was starting to clean my beauty room the week before I left for Vancouver for my baby shower and then also the nursery. So this is kind of a long clean with me, but I hope you guys enjoy it. And also I included my new makeup storage, so I'm really excited for you guys to see that. I'll leave a link down below on where I bought the containers from. I really love it though. It's very easy and organized now, and yeah, I'm excited for you guys to see this. If you guys want to see more clean with me videos, give this video a thumbs up. I always love watching them. It gets me in the mood to cleaning and just keeping organized. Without further ado, I'm gonna get started with this video. Good morning, you guys. So today I thought I would clean the house with you, and I'm gonna start out with my kitchen. I'm just putting away all of our dishes right now, and it's kind of funny because you're gonna see me with long hair than short hair because I actually filmed this video at different points. So yeah, a little bit of a transformation. But yeah, I'm just putting away all the dishes right now, and I usually like doing this early in the morning just so it gets done. Actually, with my pregnancy, it definitely keeps me on my toes to be moving and to be active as much as possible because I have not been working out. So it's been a little bit, yeah, easier, I guess, with just doing like around the house cleaning, and it's been helpful since Ryan's been cooking a lot for me. As I was telling you guys, he's been cooking every day, and it's just the sweetest. So yeah, just putting away the dishes and all my glasses. And you guys know me and like my hauls, so I recently probably did a vlog and I had a ton of baby girl things out, so I want to bring everything from our dining room upstairs into their bedroom. So we just have like hangers and other little decor pieces that I still had. And then also we had a ton of presents. This was actually from our gender reveal party, so I'm going to also bring this all upstairs with me. And I thought I would show you guys a little sneak peek of the nursery. So this is going to be their nursery. It's still not finished. It has to get painted. We're getting wainscoting in here, and I definitely will do an update video for you guys for that. But I'm just getting everything else in this room from downstairs. And then also in my beauty room, I had tons of shopping bags as well. So I'm just organizing all of the baby girl stuff in these little unicorn organizers right now that I got from HomeSense. And I just wanted to make sure that everything was kind of together, and I want to get everything out of bags so I know what I've bought. And also from like our baby shower as well, we have to like organize all those gifts just to see what else we still need to buy. Then I'm just going back in the nursery and hanging a ton of their clothes, and we're gonna do a full wash closer to when they get here. And I just kind of am skeptical of taking off all of the tags just in case we get doubles of things, since I have one more baby shower at the end of July. But I'm really excited, you guys, and it's been amazing to be in the nursery and just like see all their little clothes. So I'm pretty much all done here. I just have to move everything from my beauty room into the nursery. There is just a few more small things, but I also have these big seats that I bought them, and I'm just gonna pretty much haul everything over into the nursery. And the next thing I thought I would show you guys, I just got these organizers actually from the Container Store. So I'm putting all of my new makeup or makeup that I'm using for giveaways for you guys in these drawers. So I just thought I would kind of show you how I'm organizing them. If you want to see a separate video on what's in my makeup drawers, let me know and I would love to do that. I'm just putting all of my IPSY bag goodies in this container right here just so I know, okay, I'm going to try these new products out. And then right here we have a lot of like the FACETORY masks
that I receive each month. So there's tons of those, and this is the cute little box that it comes in. It's so adorable. I also have a little coupon code. And yeah, and then next I have, more face masks that are going in here. And then down here, I've just got some Pixie, and then also I have a ton of Mellow makeup that I just got sent in the mail. So I just wanted to make sure I have all that organized down here. And I love these drawers because you can obviously see all of the makeup that you're reaching for. It's super easy. You can even put labels on there. But yeah, I am so happy, you guys. Our house is so clean right now. My beauty room is all clean after getting out all of the baby clothes and just baby things that I've bought over the last month. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this little clean with me video. If you want to see more of them, definitely give this video a thumbs up. I always think it's kind of fun to do. See you in the mood to cleaning.
Okay guys, so that was the clean with me. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I always love watching these videos so much. But yeah, I would love to hear from you guys, so make sure you guys leave some love down below. Let me know on what your cleaning routine looks like. And also, if you guys are not yet subscribed, make sure to subscribe now for future videos. And then also add me on Instagram, so it's just SLMissGlam. I hope you guys liked the video, and of course, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!
I believe that we're meant to be. But jealousy, get the best of me. Look, I don't mean to frustrate.